Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I have an unboxing for you today for my brand new camera that just got to my door, which is the Sony FX30 Cinema Line. This is gonna be my brand new YouTube camera. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. There is gonna be some future videos about this camera. So if you like content like this, make sure to subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. But let's get into it. All right, we are opening up the box. We're gonna check what's inside. Oh, look what we got here. So we got a USB cable. Looks like it is a USB-C to USB-A, beautiful. And it's kind of nice here because it looks like it's all cardboard. We got some paperwork. Catalyst Browse, gonna check that out for sure. And this looks like it is the camera. This looks like it's the camera right here in this little pouch. Oh my goodness, this thing is a beauty. This is definitely beefier than my Sony ZV-E10. Looks like we have a full HDMI port. Nice vents here for cooling. Spot for the SD card readers. Looks like we got two there. Nice, beautiful screen. Wow, this thing is beautiful. We got mounting screws all the way on the top here. So this is the version without the mic bracket, just the body only. So what else do we have in the box here? I'm gonna assume this is gonna be, oh, that is the charger. And the only thing left is the battery. So there it is, the unboxing of the Sony FX30. What a beautiful device. I cannot wait to try this out. It is like Christmas in here. Comes with the battery, USB-C to USB-A cable, and of course, the charger. And it came with the manual and some paperwork and stuff that I will totally check out for 5 seconds and possibly just pack it away. But there it is, folks. That is the Sony FX30. If you're looking forward to seeing some more videos on the Sony FX30, make sure to hit subscribe. If you like content like this one, make sure to watch the videos over here. And if you found value in this unboxing, make sure to hit that like button. Be safe, stay awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.